Hello everyone! This video is for the beginners in peer-to-peer. We will show you how you can invest manually with iuvo. Manual investing gives you the possibility to have a closer look at each loan you're going to invest in. You can see more details about the borrower, their behavior, and the payment schedule before you decide to invest in it. It works the following way. Open primary market, filter the loans by originator, interest rate, score class, currency, and other characteristics that may be important for your strategy. Press the Invest button to enter the amount you would like to participate with. The minimum amount for investing in one loan on primary market is €10, 10 Bulgarian leva, 25 Romanian lei, 25 Polish zloty, and 400 Russian rubli. When you enter the amount, click the Shopping Cart button. After successfully selecting loans and adding them in the primary market shopping cart, it is necessary to confirm the investment by clicking the button. It is good to know that the shopping cart gives you the option to change your mind and deselect loans or change the amount you want to buy. You can also invest manually on secondary market. It is a market where investors sell their investments to other investors. It gives advantages to both sides. The sellers have higher liquidity of their funds. Those who invest actively can buy loans that already have history of repayments and are no longer available on primary market. There is no minimum amount for investing on secondary market. It is very important to pay attention to the price of the loan. The percent you see in the discount premium column can be a different color. Red tells you this loan is on a premium price and it is not a very good deal for the buyer. Green with a minus in front of it indicates that you will generate additional profit from the lower price because this loan is with a discount. When there are only zeros, it means that there is no change in the price. You can even filter these loans or sort them on the market. Manual investing helps you get familiar with the platform faster and easier. You will be aware of what our originators can offer you, which will help you create your own successful auto-invest strategy later. We always encourage our investors to use the auto-invest because time is the most valuable resource in the 21st century and it saves you a lot of it. However, you can always combine the two ways of investing in order to take advantage of the full potential of the platform. Thank you for choosing iuvo.